Hi, my name is Marie and welcome to my YouTube channel Marilet's World. Halloween is just around the corner, so of course we're going to carve a pumpkin. I have this medium-sized pumpkin that I'm going to use, and I have these tools that we got from last year. We did not throw them away, we can reuse this. I also printed easy templates from the internet to carve into the pumpkin. I have moon and cat, and the word boo. First, we're going to line our table with a plastic bag for easy cleanup later. I'm going to mark a circle on top of the pumpkin, cut a hole on top, and make a lid. I'm going to use this bigger tool to cut through the pumpkin and remove the lid. I'm just going to saw through around this top, following the mark. Almost there. I'm going to use this scooper to take all the pulp and the seeds out of the pumpkin. I'm going to save the seeds and toast them later for a toasted pumpkin seed snack. I'm going to use this jagged edge of this scooper to separate the pulp from the pumpkin. I'm trying to flatten out the bottom of this pumpkin so that the handle will have a good base when we put them inside later. Now I'm preparing the pumpkin to mark the template. So I'm gonna mark my template on the pumpkin and start carving them. These are two of the templates. I'm using these two tools, one small for the small details and small shape, and the bigger one for the bigger shapes. Here are the seeds. I'm gonna toast them in the oven to make some pumpkin seed snacks. It's very hot today, so these seeds should dry out fast. The pumpkins are dry. I'm gonna toss them in a bowl with olive oil and some salt. The oven is heated to 300 degrees. we're going to roast the seeds for 45 minutes or until it's golden brown. Roasted pumpkin seed. You can customize this by adding your favorite spices like paprika or garlic salt, but I just use salt. Enjoy! Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed it and click the thumbs up button. Please remember to subscribe to my channel, Marilet's World, and check out my playlist for uploads on couponing, DIY, restoration, and other interesting videos. Trick or treat! Happy Halloween!